Yo, what is going on, guys? This is Thursday, December 19th, and I bring to you another project on the Audi A4 2.0 turbo. So on the 2-liter engine, there's a common issue that will cause a check engine light, resulting in a check engine light that would show something about lost boost pressure. And so it's related to the diverter valve on the Audi. And see if I can carefully get under here and show you where it was located. I already removed it. But it was basically bolted right under the turbo, and it was a pain in the butt to remove. But I will show you the part. So this is the original one, and this is a piston style diverter valve, which is the newer version. Now mine was not failing, but I'm just doing this as preventative maintenance. And then this is the new one. I got it from ECS Tuning, and it's basically the same thing, piston style, which is better. The older style basically had like a little rubber gasket here that would fail, and that would cause a check engine light. And it looks like this has a little bit of wear, so it might be a good idea I'm changing it anyways. And so in case you want to see the part number, let's see if we can focus here. So yeah, I'm gonna basically, and to remove this, it was a pain in the butt, but I used a 3/4 inch ratchet, which I also got from ECS Tuning, and I used a T30 torx driver, and the bolts, there's 3 of them, so probably this is the one that was hardest to get out. That's why it's all bad looking. But so anyways, I'm gonna get it back installed, and hopefully everything goes well. And just wanted to show you guys what was going on and what I was doing. So I will continue when I have this installed, and we'll see how everything goes. Yo, what is going on, guys? I got so far 2 of the bolts in. I'm almost done tightening the second one, and the very top one for the diverter valve is going to be the hardest one to get to. It's above where my wrench is, and it's going to be hard, but we'll be in there. So just showing the process of reinstalling it, and then when you're done, you do want to hook up that cable where that connector is. But I'll continue when I'm almost done. Yo guys, what's good? Good news. So I basically got the last bolt in. It was the top one, which was a pain in the butt to torque down, but I finally got it. All I got left to do now is hook up the connector, and then I put the belly pin back on, and then bring it down the car, and then start it up. So I will do that next after I get everything figured out after that. So let's see you guys soon. Alright guys, well, everything was a success. I put the belly pin back on and started the car. Everything's good, no check engine light, and I think we're good to go. So job well done. Thanks for watching. Peace out.